Welcome students, this video is for class 9 students, quadrilateral part 3, and today we will start from question number 4 of exercise 8.1. Okay, because in part 2 we did 3 questions of this exercise, and the fourth question is show that the diagonals of a square are equal and perpendicular bisector. This is the question, this is the theorem. Why? Because this is the property of square. You already know this is the property of diagonal of square, that diagonal of square are equal and perpendicular bisector. But this we have to prove, it means this is the theorem. So how to prove? First we will write that what is given and what we have to prove. Given क्या है हमारे पास? सेकेंड पार्ट में भी मैंने आपको बताया था कि गिवन और टू प्रूफ लिखेंगे तो हमें प्रूफ में बहुत हेल्प होगी उससे. सो व्हाट इज गिवन दैट दिस इज ओनली स्क्वायर एंड डायगोनल्स प्रॉपर्टी बिकॉज वी हैव टू प्रूव, सो वी कैन नॉट अप्लाई दीज रूल्स. ओके, वी कैन अप्लाई ओनली द 90 degree angle, that 90 degree all angles, and one more property that all sides are equal. These two things we can apply, means we can use in our proof. And what we have to prove, this is very important. In this question we have to prove 3 things. How? First, that diagonals are equal, means AC is equal to BD first. Second, we have to prove that these are the bisectors, means diagonals are the bisector. It means OA is equal to OC, and second one OB is equal to OD. Fine. Third, that these bisectors are perpendicular bisector, right angle पे bisect करते हैं. It means these all angles are right angle. ये हमें prove करना है. Fine. So what we have to prove, that angle AOB, angle BOC, angle COD, and angle DOA all are 90 degree. ये 3 चीज़ें आपको प्रूव करनी है. फाइन. सो इट मीन्स वी विल डू दिस क्वेश्चन इन 3 पार्ट्स. पहले हम ये प्रूव करेंगे, देन सेकेंड, देन थर्ड. सो अगर हम फर्स्ट पे आए, यू रिमेंबर द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज दैट वी हैव टू प्रूव इक्वल डायगोनल्स. तो जब हमें इक्वल डायगोनल्स प्रूव करने हैं तो हम वही 2 ट्राइंगल लेंगे इस फिगर में से जिनमें पूरे डायगोनल्स आ रहे हो. फाइन. जिसमें पूरा AC आ रहा हो और पूरा BD. सो आई एम टेकिंग दीज 2 ट्राइंगल्स ADC एंड BDC. ठीक है. क्यों? क्योंकि इसमें दोनों डायगोनल पूरे आ रहे हैं और आप देखेंगे कि इन दोनों में एक साइड कॉमन आ रही है CD. तो हमें कॉन्ग्रुएंसी में बहुत हेल्प मिलेगी इससे. सो फर्स्ट वी विल राइट इन प्रूफ दैट वी आर वर्किंग इन विच 2 ट्राइंगल्स, in triangle ADC and triangle BCD. We are working in these 2 triangles. So start writing. We know that all sides are equal, so we can write that AD is equal to BC, and this side is common, CD is equal to DC. And please, again I am repeating, write the reason mandatory. All sides of square are equal and this is common. Third thing, this we will use that angle D and angle C both are right angles. So angle D is equal to angle C and you can write 90 degree each. Clear? Congruency proof. So we can write that triangle ADC congruent to triangle BCD, and very important to write which congruency, SAS, side and angle. बीच में आ रहा है एंगल, सो SAS. सो सिंस these 2 triangles are congruent, so remaining corresponding parts are already equal. Therefore AC is equal to BD, and by what? By CPCD. First part proved. Fine. Now come to second part. हमें ये प्रूव करना है OC OB और OA इक्वल है OC के. तो ऐसे 2 ट्राइंगल लेंगे जिनमें एक बार में ही ये चारों प्रूव हो जाएंगे. मीन्स वी विल टेक द 2 triangles in which these all 4 sides are there. So if I will take these 2, so I can prove only OB is equal to OD. So why to increase our work, so I will take these two or these two, जिसमें ये दोनों sides include हो रही हैं. So I am taking these two for the second part. Which triangle? First we will write this in triangle AOD and triangle BOC. Fine. Start proving. Same. क्या लिखेंगे? That these two sides which are already equal, that AD is equal to BC, all sides of square are equal, square property है. Now what about these remaining two things, because we can write vertically opposite angles also, but again the one will be left, so I am writing alternate interior angle. Why alternate interior angle are equal in this figure? Because this is a square and square all sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel also. Yes, so if these two sides are parallel or AC is a transversal, so this angle is alternate to this, and if BD is transversal, so this angle is alternate to this. Fine. So we will write this, that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4, and the reason for both is alternate interior angles. Clear hai? All three are done. So now we can write triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC. Now congruency, side angle and in the middle side, so ASA. Since these two triangles are congruent, therefore these two corresponding sides and these two corresponding sides are equal to each other, means OA is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB by CPCT. ईजी है ना बहुत. बस आपको ये देखना है कि आपको किस पार्ट को प्रूव करने के लिए कौन से दो ट्रायंगल लेने हैं, दैट्स इट. और वो आपको ईजीली पता चल जाएगा. यू विल बी गेटिंग टू नो ईजीली दैट विच ट्रायंगल्स यू हैव टू टेक इफ़ यू विल जस्ट अप्लाई द लॉजिक. जैसे मैंने अप्लाई किया था कि अगर मैं ये दो ट्रायंगल लेती हूँ, ये दो लेती हूँ, तो मैं एक बार में इन दोनों को ही इक्वल प्रूव कर पाऊंगी. और हमें ऐसे ट्रायंगल लेने हैं जिसमें हमें एक बार में ही ये चारों साइड्स एक दूसरे के इक्वल प्रूव हो जाएं. फाइन. नाउ द थर्ड थिंग इज लेफ्ट. So if I will be able to prove only one angle 90 degree, suppose मैंने ये angle 90 degree prove कर दिया, then according to linear pair this will be 90, then according to VOA this will be 90. So what we need to prove only any one angle 90 degree. तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, सपोज माई टारगेट इज दिस एंगल, मेरा टारगेट ये वाला एंगल है कि मैं इसे 90 प्रूव करूँ. सो आई विल टेक द ट्राइंगल विच इज एडजेसेंट टू दिस ट्राइंगल. या तो मैं इसका एडजेसेंट ये वाला ट्राइंगल ले लूँ या मैं इसका एडजेसेंट ये वाला ट्राइंगल ले लूँ. वाई? बिकॉज वी विल अप्लाई लीनियर पेयर हियर. फाइन. सो इफ माई टारगेट इज दिस, सो आई विल टेक द एडजेसेंट ट्राइंगल ऑफ दिस, either this or this, it's your wish. Okay, so third part I am working in triangle AOB and triangle BOC. Now start proving them congruent. You can see that these two we have already proved equal in the second part, and this is common and these two sides are equal. Very easy. Okay, so how to write? First, AB is equal to BC, sides of square. Fine. Reason, OB is equal to OB. Reason, common. Fine. And OA is equal to OC. Why? Proved in part 2. हमने प्रूव किया है सेकेंड पार्ट में. So it means triangle AOB congruent to triangle BOC. Since these two triangles are congruent, therefore remaining parts are equal. So and our target is angle. हमारा टारगेट क्या है? एंगल है. तो हम इस एंगल को लेंगे. कौन सा एंगल ले रहे हैं? Either you give name 5 or 6. Either you take these names AOB and BOC. So angle AOB will be equal to angle BOC, and we are taking these two angles as equal to as x. So x plus x 180. यहाँ कर देती हूँ मैं, आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा. x plus x 180 degree by linear pair. Okay, so x will be 90. If this is 90, then all are 90. 90 90 because these two are already equal, and by VOA these remaining two will be 90. So third part is also proved. I hope this solution is clear to you, because this is very easy. Just you apply the logic that for which proving you have to take which two triangles. This is very important. Okay, now we will talk about the question number 5 of this exercise. Question number 5 is just reverse of question number 4. Means if the diagonals of a square are equal, if the diagonals of a quadrilateral, if the diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal and perpendicular bisector, then we have to prove that quadrilateral is square. कि अगर किसी क्वाड्रिलेटरल के डायगोनल्स ऑलरेडी इक्वल हैं और परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर भी हैं, सो वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट दिस क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज अ स्क्वायर. इट मीन्स व्हाट वी हैव टू प्रूव, द मेन थिंग इज व्हाट वी हैव टू प्रूव. हमें स्टेटमेंट तो प्रूव नहीं कर सकते, हमें कुछ उसके लिए प्रूव करना होता है. सो विच प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ स्क्वायर इज लेफ्ट, that all sides are equal. So it means first we have to prove that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. One more thing, that opposite sides are parallel. ये भी हमें इसके साथ prove करना है. So the solution I will not do because this is just same as the question number 4. उसी की तरह ही जाना है, जो हमें prove करना है उससे related हम triangles इसमें से लेंगे. I will just give the idea to you. Okay, so proof हम कैसे करेंगे, और given में आपको पता है आपके पास क्या है, जो आपने फोर्थ क्वेश्चन में प्रूफ किया है अब वो आपका given है. that OB is equal to OA, OD, OA is equal to OC and these all angles are 90 degree. So first if you will prove that AB is equal to BC, so which triangles, two triangles will you take? Obviously these two, and in these this is equal to this is common, and these both are 90 degree angle. So it will be very easy for you. Similarly you can write after that with these two triangles, this is equal to this is common and 90 degree angle. आपने प्रूव कर दिया, you have already proved that these two triangles are congruent. So AB is equal to BC है. After that again you will take these two for proving these two sides equal, BC CD, और CD और AD के लिए आप लेंगे ये two. Again and again no need to take, you can write just similarly in triangle BOC and COD, BC will be equal to CD, similarly CD will be equal to AD. तो आपका फर्स्ट पार्ट प्रूव हो जाएगा, सिर्फ दो ट्राइंगल को ही लेना एक बार में. उस आफ्टर दैट यू कैन राइट सिमिलरली. नाउ हाउ टू प्रूव दीज ऑपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल. व्हेन you will prove the two triangles equal, you can take CPCT part. So alternate angles also will be equal to each other. Suppose these two are alternate interior angle, so you can take these two triangles, prove them congruent, that this side is equal to this. You have already proved in part 1. Okay, this is equal to this is equal to this. These two are already given in the question, that diagonals are perpendicular bisectors, so the remaining parts are equal. This angle is equal to this and 3 is equal to 4, and these all are alternate pair of alternate interior angles. So proof कर दिया हमने एक बार में. So you can write, because opposite sides are parallel and all sides are equal, therefore ABCD is a square. So I hope it's clear to you. Otherwise you can write in comment, I will explain you and do the full solution. Thank you.